All right, class, here we go. Here we go. It's Sunday and I'm doing this for you guys. Tell your friends. Tell them, hey, there's a video on YouTube. Come on, we got to study. Let's prove that we can do this. This one's going to be reflection. Tell everybody. Come on. Reflection. All right, here we go. We're going to pick some points, all right? Some XY coordinates. Just random. Random. Here we go. Right here? Yeah, right here. Where else? Right here? All right, right here. How about right here? Yeah, that one. All right, what else are we gonna do? Here we go. Da 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 da. I love this song. Here we go. Now what do we do? Connect them. A, C, D. Here we go.
This should be played at high volume.
Oh no. Drop it. Come on. Here's the instructions. Reflect. For the what axis? I want to do it over the, let's try over the X axis. So I'm going to do a highlighter over the X axis. All right, here we go. So basically all you're doing, it's like a mirror. It's like a mirror. So what you want to do is, here's a mirror and it's the other side. So all you have to do is count the number of points away from the mirror. So away from X is 3. Okay, so here we go. Count them. Count. Ready? 1, 2. 1, your B prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's your what prime? C prime. That's your new coordinate. Next one. Let's do it. Here we go. Count them. Move it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's your what? That's your what? Yeah, that's your B prime. There you go. See? Next one. Right here. Here's your A. Count it. 1, 2, 8, 9. 9. 9. Oh, you guys want to hear the music, huh? Here we go. 9. Here. Drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. That's your what? Check this out. A prime. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect them. Here we go. Sorry, I don't have a ruler, so let's connect them. There you go. So if you notice, the diagrams, the shapes are actually different because what? We're reflecting. We're not moving them. We're reflecting, so it's a mirror, right? So this DC is DC. BA is BA. BC, BD. You see that? It's a mirror. So now all we have to do is give me the points. Oh, so give me the points. Right? So what are the points? So you could do that. Oh, too slow. Here we go. There we go. So give me the points. So D is what? 3, comma, negative 2. What's B prime? Negative 4, comma, what? Negative 3. What's your A prime? Negative 3, comma, negative 9, right? There's your negative 9. And your C is 3, comma, what is that? 3, comma, negative 7. So why don't we do that, right? Here we go. Oh, it's too slow. Here we go. So your A, something happens with this reflection. So your A is what? Negative 3, 9. So let's put negative 3, comma, 9. Your B is what? Negative 4, comma, 3. Negative 4, comma, 3. Okay. Your C, you can't see them, so I'll do it right now. 3, comma, what? 7. 3, comma, 7. And your D is 3, comma, 2. 3, comma, 2 right here. 3, comma, 2. So that's your D. 3, comma, 2. So what happened when you reflect it over the X? So let's look at it. So now your B is what? Negative 4. It's still negative 4. So the X is the same, but the Y is different. It's negative 3. So that's B. Negative 4, negative 3. So what happens? Negative 4, negative 3. So your B prime is now negative 4, negative 3. So when you reflect it over the x-axis, the x stays the same. So basically I could do that. I'm going to just highlight it because I know they're going to stay the same, and the y is the opposite, right? So let's go ahead and highlight it. So C is going to be what? 3, comma, the opposite, negative 7. Well, let's see. 3, let's see C. 3, comma, negative 7. Yup, it's true. It's valid. Let's try this one. D is 3, comma, negative 2. Let's try D. 3, oh, sorry, can't see it. Here we go. 3, comma, negative 2. There's your x, comma, y. And obviously your A prime is what? Negative 3, comma, negative 9. And that's it. There you go. There it is. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. Reflection. All right, so why don't we do this? Why don't we reflect it over the x-axis? So what's going to happen? Reflect over the what? The y. Let's reflect over the y-axis. So what's going to happen? What am I going to highlight? I'm going to go ahead and highlight what? I'm going to go ahead and highlight the y-axis. Here we go. Sorry. I'm going to highlight the y. So listen to the instructions on the test. Reflection over the x, reflection over the y. Remember, if they say x is 3, well, you're not going to highlight all this. You're going to highlight all this. X is 3. Okay, but for this test, I'm just going to say the x or the y-axis. And remember, all you got to do is count. How many units is it, the xy coordinate, from the reflection area, the y-axis? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this C is going to be where? Yeah, it's going to be on the other side. And then what about B? B is going to be on the other side. It's like tennis. The D is going to be on the other side, but make sure that it's on the same value of Y. Okay, here we go. So do we need to finish that? No, right? Let's just do it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, King of Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's B prime, right? This is D prime. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's C prime. Okay, and then A, right? 1, 2, 3. The opposite. 1, 2, 3, and that's your A prime. So let's go ahead and connect them. Let's connect them. Here we go.
Okay, people, we got a time.
Okay, people, let's do it. Where is it? Right there. See that? So that's very different than reflecting over the y-axis, because x-axis. All right, it's actually matching. Well, not really matching, but it's colliding. All right. So, and that's fine. So what do you think my coordinates are? Without even looking. Reflection over the y. What's going to stay the same? The y stays the same. So we're going to reflect it off this one. The original, we're talking about the OG, all right? Here we go. So the OG is going to be what? It's going to be what? Y stays the same, and this one's going to be 3. So A is 3, comma 9. All right, what about B? Erase this. Don't worry about this one now, because that was the other one. All right, how about B prime? 3, and what happens to the negative 4? Yeah, there you go. C. What about C? What happens? The y stays the same. What happens to 3? Yeah. What about D prime? The 2 stays the same. The 3 is negative 3. Yes. That is reflection. There you go. Look at it. Study it. Do well. You could do this. It's not that hard. Just pay attention. Reflection over the x or the y-axis. X stays the same. Y stays the same depending on the reflection. There you go. All right, man. That's it for reflection.